This is a USB cable that can charge your device. Like you can see, it can charge your device, but it can also inject keystrokes. This USB cable, I made it myself. I know it looks horrible right now, but yeah, you can make it look good. And in future, I hope to add Wi-Fi support in this cable. The main thing of the whole system is located here. Even if you don't connect the smartphone, it will work. There's a default delay of 10 seconds before it will start injecting the keystrokes. If you want to see a detailed video on how I made this, comment down below and I will make a full DIY tutorial. Thanks for watching.